Hello, what is your name?
My name is Perla Panes.
How old are you?
I'm 46 years old.
What is your religion?
I'm a Roman Catholic.
Are you married?
No, I'm single.
Okay, do you have kids?
No, I don't have kids.
Okay, so how long have you been working in Hong Kong?
6 years now.
Do you have any work experience in other countries?
Yes, ma'am. I work in Singapore for 5 years.
Okay,
And 6 years in Taiwan.
okay. So, how many years you work in your current employer?
I work in current employer for 6 years.
6 years. Where's your employer living in?
Yeah, they live in Mid-Vegas.
How many square feet of your employer's
There are
house?
5,000 square feet.
How many family members there?
There are 5 members in the family.
Okay, how many children?
3 children.
How old are they now?
The eldest is 13 years old. The second one is 11 years old and 7 years old.
Okay, so would you please describe your daily working schedule? What time you wake up in the morning?
I wake up in the morning at 5 o'clock and
Mm-hmm.
do the cooking, cleaning, and washing, and then we go to market and come back to cook lunch for them, and then clean the kitchen, and then prepare the dinner in
Okay.
the afternoon.
Okay. So what time you cook for the dinner?
And 5 o'clock now till
Okay.
6:30.
Okay, so what time they eat?
6:30.
6:30. Okay, after finish everything in the kitchen, so what time you go to bed?
We finish 10:30 to
10:30.
11 o'clock.
Okay. Okay, thank you so much.